Day 60, trying to recover.
Another day in the office. I've been exercising every single day for 60 days straight. Literally, no days off. Being real intentional, trying to get my mobility skills back. Some of y'all know I was paralyzed from the neck down. Couldn't do nothing. Just could move my head like this. That's it. So I'm grateful I can even move my limbs by myself now. But I still can't walk without no assistance. I'm gonna keep trying to. I've been working out every single day. I haven't been chilling with no girls. I've been celibate. I haven't bust one nut all year. When I get to 100 days, I might celebrate. I might leave the country, go to Brazil or something. Or I might just get a hotel room and take a girl's soul. I don't know yet. Y'all let me know how y'all think I should celebrate 100 days of exercise. But I be telling people, man, you gotta make yourself do it. If you really wanted to do something, you'll find a way to do it. Y'all think I feel like working out every day? Absolutely no. But I gotta make myself do it if I want to get better. People just lazy. Look at it like, if I can do it, you can do it. I'm handicapped. I got reasons not to work out. I feel pain every day, discomfort every day. I need assistance with almost everything. Doctor's appointments, physical therapy. I ordered this machine and the treadmill so I can work out every day in my house. So you can't say you need a workout partner. I work out every day by myself. I feel myself getting stronger. I just don't see my mobility skills getting better. But they're not getting worse either. So I guess that's a good thing. I'm telling y'all, man, you can do it. Use me as motivation. Don't let no handicap dude outwork you. I'm telling you. There's no way I should have more money than you or I should be in better shape than you. I don't want to hear no excuses. And y'all know in 1 year, my mom, my little brother, and my grandmother, they all died in the same year. Then my dad died in my room right beside me. And my old girl, she committed suicide. I was stressed and depressed, but I snapped out of it though. I packed my bags, moved out the country by myself with a suitcase and a book bag. And I'm still not giving up. If you get lazy or just be giving up, just think like, why? What is you doing? What is you doing with your life? What is you doing with your legacy? I'm telling you, don't let no handicap dude outwork you. Walk on the treadmill every single day. Get my money's worth. I just hope one day I'll be able to do it without any assistance. I have to hold on to these, because if I don't, I'm gonna be on the floor. And I have to do it at the lowest speed. But hey, it could be worse though, right? Telling you. Man, that's it for the day. 60 days straight, baby.